When homeowners think about lowering energy use, they often focus on insulation or windows. However, doors play just as important a role in maintaining indoor comfort. Even the highest quality door can fall short if it is not installed properly. The connection between door installation and energy savings is stronger than many people realize. For homeowners in Loves Park, professional door installation can significantly improve efficiency, comfort, and long-term performance. Why installation matters more than you think. A door's primary job is to create a secure barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. If that barrier is compromised by small gaps or uneven alignment, air can flow freely in and out. In Loves Park homes, poorly installed doors often allow drafts around the edges or beneath the threshold. These small leaks may seem minor, but over time they can disrupt indoor temperatures and reduce overall efficiency. Eliminating air leaks at the source. Air leakage is one of the biggest contributors to unnecessary energy use. When conditioned air escapes, indoor systems must work harder to maintain comfort. Professional door installation in Loves Park ensures that the frame is level, square, and tightly sealed. Proper insulation around the frame blocks hidden gaps that would otherwise allow air infiltration. The role of weatherstripping. Weatherstripping creates a tight seal between the door and its frame. If it is improperly installed or compressed unevenly, air can still pass through. Skilled installers in Loves Park carefully position weatherstripping to ensure a consistent seal along all edges of the door. Threshold alignment for complete protection. The bottom of the door is a common source of drafts. Professional door installation includes adjusting the threshold so it fits snugly against the door sweep. In Loves Park homes, this detail helps prevent air from slipping underneath and affecting nearby rooms. Supporting stable indoor temperatures. Temperature fluctuations near entryways often signal installation issues. When a door is installed correctly, it minimizes outside air intrusion and supports consistent indoor conditions. Loves Park homeowners benefit from rooms that feel more balanced throughout the day. Reducing strain on indoor systems. Air leaks force heating and cooling systems to operate longer than necessary. By improving the seal around entry doors, professional installation helps Loves Park homeowners reduce unnecessary strain on indoor systems. This contributes to smoother performance and greater long-term reliability. Enhancing overall comfort. Energy savings are not just about efficiency, they are about everyday comfort. Draft-free entryways make a noticeable difference in how a home feels. In Loves Park residences, properly installed doors eliminate cold or warm spots near doorways, creating a more inviting space. Preventing long-term structural issues. Improper installation can lead to misalignment or shifting over time. When doors are securely anchored and correctly aligned, they maintain their performance for years. Loves Park homeowners gain peace of mind knowing their investment is built to last. Maximizing the value of modern doors. Modern doors often feature energy-efficient materials and insulated cores. However, these features only deliver full benefits when installation is handled correctly. In Loves Park, professional installers ensure that every component, from hinges to seals, functions as intended. A smart investment in efficiency. The connection between door installation and energy savings is clear. Precision matters. For homeowners in Loves Park, professional door installation ensures that entry doors perform at their highest level. By eliminating air leaks, reinforcing seals, and maintaining proper alignment, expert installation supports both comfort and efficiency. The result is a home that feels more stable, more comfortable, and better protected from unnecessary energy loss year-round.